Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to order for someone else on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Foodpanda application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, if you of course have one. If you don't, you can always go and register. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have your address and the search box. And in the bottom, we have 4 tabs, which are the Home tab, Shops, Search, and the Account tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and order for someone else on Foodpanda. So what you need to do guys is click on a cuisine that you would like to go and buy from. Then just go and find the restaurant that you would like. I will, for instance, go on this one. And then just find the food that you would like to buy. You can do it by clicking on the plus button and the food will appear in your shopping cart. The shopping cart can be found when you go back to the main screen in the top right corner where you can see the shopping cart, and here you can go and then buy the food. But for someone else, you can just go and change your address. You can change it to the top left corner. You can change it when you click on account and have the, as you can see, addresses where you can put a someone else's address also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.